1. Product application, granular or powdered materials with less moisture and good fluidity. Widely used in fertilizer, feed, light industry, chemical industry, metallurgy, building materials, ports, mining, food, grain and other industries. 2. Main features. 1. Good integrity, small footprint, flexible and convenient installation. 2. Adjustable speed. The feeding method of the packaging equipment is 3-speed, large, medium and small gravity feeding. The feeding is achieved by instrument control and the feeding speed can be set arbitrarily. 3. Environmentally friendly operation. Closed internal circulation system effectively prevents dust from flying, improves the working environment and protects the health of employees. 4. Reasonable structure. Compact structure, small size, can be made into fixed or mobile body according to customer requirements. 5. High precision sensors and highly intelligent weighing controllers are used, with high measurement accuracy and stable performance. 6. Automatic correction of material drop, automatic tracking of 0-point, overshoot detection and suppression, over and under quantity alarm. 7. Optional automatic bag sewing thread break function, pneumatic thread cutting after photoelectric induction automatic bag sewing, saving labor. Parts in contact with materials are SUS 316L. Working principle: turn on the power, press the start button, manually put on the bag. After the instrument receives the signal, the system controls the feeding cylinder to feed at 3 speeds, fast, medium and slow. At the same time, the weighing module transmits the obtained weight signal to the instrument at any time. After the instrument controls the filling, the bag clamp automatically releases and the bag falls on the conveyor and then is transported to the bag sewing machine for sealing. Then, add the bag and proceed to the next cycle. After the shift is completed, press the stop button to cut off the power.